She got me in my feelings. Gotta be real with it.
What's good, YouTube? So today I'm back, and this is what, like 3, 4, 5 day hair from the 3-strand twist out that I did show you guys on my YouTube channel. I will link that video below. It was my Instagram followers choose my hair routine for the day, and I'm just going to show you guys really quick before I go to work how to achieve a elongated ponytail, but not really, how to fake it. Okay, so this ponytail isn't bad, but you know, it's not giving me the length that I want. And like, I want to look like, bam, she got right here, oh my gosh, is that all hers? And that's not what I'm getting from here. So this is the beginning. This is going to be the start look. And let's get into this elongated ponytail. Oh. Alright, so what you want to do is grab all your hair that's kind of like the front section all the way to like the back of your ears, and you're going to split that in half. So this ponytail is kind of like a half up, half down, and you're going to put this literally at, what is this, the crown of your head? I think that's the crown of your head. Not really sure. But for the sake of this video, it's going to be called the crown. And you're going to grab another elastic. Flip that ponytail up because we did that one already. And this one we're going to put literally in the back of our head. Okay, so to join them together a little bit more, I'm going to make the top ponytail a little lower. And there we have the elongated ponytail. You can't even see the two separate ponytails. It just looks like one big long ponytail. Like, yes, oh my god, is that her hair? Yes, it is. I mean, it's an illusion, but they ain't gotta know. True. Long hair don't care. Alright guys, that's basically it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys that real quick. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.